In this episode, we're going to look at an LXI tuner. This was a house brand sold by the Sears Corporation, and it was actually manufactured by Sanyo. I have one here that has lost its memory. So the memory battery is going to be dead. I'm going to show you how to replace it, coming right up. I've got an LXI series tuner here. This is an AM/FM stereo tuner. And the complaint on this one is it doesn't store memories. So right there in the middle of the board is the big lithium battery. This one uses a 2430. It's a Sanyo battery on this thing, and I'm sure that it's probably expired. We'll just measure the voltage here and see that it actually is dead. On this one, it looks like we have a separate plate that we can just actually remove from the bottom, and that will expose that entire board, which will make it easy to get in there and replace that lithium battery. And we also have other options. For example, if I wanted to, I could put a battery case in there and just put a couple of regular AA batteries in, because it's only going to be 3 volts. So a couple of AA batteries would do the same thing, as opposed to buying one of those lithium cells that have the tabs attached to them. Okay, bottom off. There you have it. Board is very well laid out. Looking to see who made this unit, I'm going to say it's probably a Sanyo. But LXI was a brand that was a house brand sold by like Sears. Here's the battery here. We'll just pop the battery out. It's almost like they glued the battery down to the board. They did glue the battery down to the board. Of course, as we can see, this battery is dead. Now, if I was just going to replace the battery, that would be the end of it. But, you know, I want to make this so that the next time the battery has to be changed, it's going to be a little bit easier. So I'm going to put a CR3032, I think it's a 3032 we're going to put in this thing. Yeah, 2032. CR2032 battery holder. We'll just put that in the board here. I may have to change the spacing a bit of the pins. No, it should fit. It should fit right in there. Positive is obviously this edge of it here. That's the negative for the button cell, and I should be able to put that holder right into the board, just like that. Solder it down, and then this unit has a user replaceable battery. Not that it has to be done very often, but next time it has to be done, it has a user replaceable battery. There we go. Pop in a new battery. And this unit will be good as new. Okay, let's take a listen to it now. It's been sitting for a while. There you go. Holds the frequency, no problem.
Get 6 months of Netflix when you sign up for Blue Sky TV.
That works.
Oh, I put in 93.3. I should put in 93.7. Let me put that into number 3. There we go.
talks and has threatened to back out of it. On Twitter, Trump...
And of course, this is my test signal from my little transmitter. See how it picks up AM? Looks like it's got presets for the AM band too. We're probably not going to pick up much in here with all the noise and stuff. I can't even get Sportsnet 650. I got a lot of interference, as you can hear. CBC.
Ron's hardliners rather than helping warning society.
And if the...
Austin's still looking okay for the time being.
Canada's top CEOs is $10.4 million. So that means by about 11.
Nice player. Ideally, I think he's a...
Together on the ones.
News on 30 time 9:10.
9:10? What did she say it was? She meant 6:09? 9:10? I think she's wrong with the time. It's not 9:10, it's 6:09. Somebody screwed up there.
2011 in Buffalo, 3
10.
silver and 3 bronze, and
I think that's all there is. Oh yeah, my noisy signal, my transmitted signal, which I get a lot of hum because, well, if I move the antenna, the hum will go away, I think. There it is. That's it. Real simple one. LXI tuner. You have a memory battery. It's right there in the middle of the board. Either go and get yourself one that's got the tabs built into it, or go get yourself a battery holder and then you can put a regular one in. This one here is customer owned, so it's a paid job, so I'm giving him a nice battery holder so the next time it needs to be done, he doesn't have to bring it to me. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you again real soon.